Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Clash Royale on PC in 2025. So as you know, Clash Royale is a Android or iOS game, mainly a phone game. So you need to do some tricks to play it on PC. So first of all, you have to search for an website like Google Play Games Beta, and as you can see, play mobile games on PC, and you have to download this on your PC. So click on download beta, and then you have to just click on the downloaded folder and install it. So I have already installed the app. So as you can see, after installing, the interface will look like this, and then you have to search for Clash Royale on this website, and you can see Clash Royale. And after clicking on that, you have to click on install. You have to install the game, and you are good to go. You can just log into your Clash Royale games account, and you can play the game in the PC. And that's it for today. See you in the next video.